Welcome to my backyard, you and you and you. Wagwan, what's good? How you doing? My name is Stacey and this is Gardening with Stacey. Today I'll be introducing to you my little kitchen garden I have right here in Portmore, Jamaica. As you know, Jamaica is a tropical island, hence it allows me to eat what I grow and grow what I eat year-round outdoors. Very rewarding, very refreshing, and extremely therapeutic. Do you grow your own food? Comment below and tell me what is your favorite fruit or vegetable to grow. If you don't and you are planning to grow your own food, also comment below and tell me what is the number one thing you want to grow. My favorite thing to grow is sweet corn. Give me a thumbs up if you like sweet corn too. Now where I live in Jamaica, it's very hot. We call it the Sunshine City of Jamaica. Therefore, gardening conditions can be a little challenging sometimes. So yes, I've had my struggles, I've had my low moments, and of course, I've had my failures. It's just a learning process. It gets better as you go, and you learn as you go. But most of all, my high moments surpasses it all. Now let's take a closer look at my garden. Right here I have some broccoli, different varieties, and cauliflower right here, mustard green right there. Right here I have some cabbages. There are some baby ones as well coming up nicely. Soon I will be transplanting those. Here I have pak choy, 2 different varieties. I have some baby ones right here as well. I will be transplanting those. Here I have some radishes, and this is a lettuce. These are some lettuce, and right here are some lettuce as well. I've been harvesting lettuces. They grow really quickly, as well as these spinaches. They grow very quickly as well. I have 2 strawberry plants right here. It may look a little scanty in my garden, but I've been sowing directly in the ground. Some seeds came up, some didn't. So I have sown some more and just waiting for them to come up. Right here I have some beetroots along this line. These are some radishes as well. And behind the radishes I have some more beetroot and turnip over there. These are some radishes as well, different varieties. As you get to know my garden more, you learn more about these varieties that I have some carrots coming up right here, over there as well, and there are some that I planted just the other day. They don't come up as yet. And over here I have some more carrots, and I have right here eggplant, sweet peppers, and these are all tomatoes right here coming up nicely. Things may look a little scanty, guys, but it gets better in time. Over here I have cucumber, I have some kales. I'm going to transplant these as well in another location maybe. I have another cucumber right here. I think this is the lemon variety. I have my watermelon, and over here I have a bateeck melon right there, and these are some midget cantaloupe right here coming up. Of course, this is my beautiful zinnia. These are my corns. They are not the best based on what I've grown before, but I'm still loving them. And of course, these are some beans and peas. These are peppers right here, Thai peppers, and I have my scotch bonnet peppers coming up right there. These are some peanuts, and I've planted some more seeds along the way, guys. As you come along my journey, you will see them coming up. And these are 2 eggplants I have right here as well. More peas and beans and more corns. Over here I have some squash. They are not doing very well. My first time growing squash. I'm still learning about them, but they are not doing well at all. I hope I will be successful with them, growing them for the first time, still learning. And I have over here onions. I have some okra coming up. And right here I had some garlic, but they did not turn out well for me. I need to get some hard neck garlic because I heard those are the ones that are sustainable. I have my mint right here coming up. These are some sorrel under here, mint right here, and this is my sugar cane coming up nicely. I have my fever grass right there. These are some plants. I have some more plants to put in this pot. This is the one coming up nicely right here. Over here I have some more sorrel, and beside my sorrel I have some callaloo coming up, and those are some eggplants. Alright, so over here, this little area right here, I have my scallion or green onions, and I have turmeric, expecting some more to sprout. I have ginger right here, expecting some more to sprout as well. I have cilantro, basil coming up. This is a lemon basil. Planted some thyme right here, expecting them to come up. And I don't remember what I have here. Over here I had some onion seeds sown. Only 2 right there sprouted. I'm going to put something else right here. And over there in that bed, let me take you over there. I have pineapples in this bed. This bed needs cleaning. I should do that sometime today or tomorrow. And I have my lemons that I'm growing from seed. I have right here 2 papaya plants. Over here I have my sweet potatoes. And right behind the pineapple plants, I have some pumpkins growing up, and of course pigeon peas, aka gungo. Do you have a garden or an intended garden space? Follow me on Instagram at Gardening with Stacey. Send me photos of your garden or your garden space. I would really love to see. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.